Let's go.
Once upon a time, there was a grandfather named Jack. He loved to sit in his cozy armchair by the fireplace, with his grandson, Timmy, on his lap. Timmy loved listening to his grandfather's stories.
Grandpa, tell me about when you were young.
Sure thing, Timmy. When I was a young boy like you, life was very different. When I was a boy, we didn't have fancy gadgets like you do today. No smartphones or computers. Instead, we played outside a lot. My friends and I would ride bikes and climb trees.
Wow, Grandpa, that sounds fun. What else did you do?
Well, we didn't have as many toys as you do now. But we made our own fun. We played with simple things like marbles and wooden blocks. And oh, how I loved flying kites on windy days.
What about school, Grandpa? Did you go to school like me?
Yes, indeed, Timmy. I went to school, just like you. But our classrooms were different. We didn't have smartboards or tablets. Our teacher wrote on a big blackboard with chalk, and we wrote in notebooks with pencils.
Did you have any adventures, Grandpa? Like pirates or explorers?
Oh, yes, Timmy. We had our fair share of adventures. We would explore the woods near our home, pretending to be brave explorers on a quest for hidden treasures. And sometimes, we'd camp out under the stars and tell stories around a campfire.
That sounds amazing, Grandpa. I wish I could have been there with you.
You know, Timmy, even though times have changed, the important things in life remain the same. It's about spending time with the ones you love, making memories, and cherishing each moment.
I love hearing your stories, Grandpa. I can't wait to make my own adventures one day. Grandpa, it's so much fun talking to you. Please continue.
Timmy, let me tell you about the time I went fishing with my friends. We would wake up early in the morning, pack our fishing rods, and head to the nearby lake. The air was crisp, and the sun was just beginning to rise, casting a golden glow on the water.
And did you catch any fish, Grandpa? Timmy asked eagerly.
Well, sometimes we did, and sometimes we didn't. But it didn't matter because being out in nature, surrounded by friends, was what made those fishing trips special.
Grandpa, did you ever travel to faraway places?
Yes, Timmy, I did. When I was a little older, I had the opportunity to travel to different places and experience new cultures. I remember visiting bustling cities with towering skyscrapers and serene countryside with rolling hills and vast fields.
What was your favorite place, Grandpa?
Each place had its own charm, Timmy. But I think my favorite memories were made right here at home, surrounded by family and friends.
Grandpa, I love hearing about your life. I hope one day I can have as many adventures as you did.
You will, Timmy. Life is full of adventures waiting to be discovered. Just remember to cherish every moment and hold on to the memories, for they are the treasures that last a lifetime.
And with that, Grandpa Jack and Timmy sat by the fireplace, basking in the warmth of their love and the stories that bound them together across generations. Question 1. What did Grandpa Jack enjoy doing when he was young? Question 2. How were classrooms different when Grandpa Jack was young? Question 3. What kind of adventures did Grandpa Jack have with his friends? Question 4. Describe one of Grandpa Jack's favorite activities with his friends. Question 5. Did Grandpa Jack always catch fish when he went fishing? Question 6. What did Grandpa Jack enjoy about traveling? According to Grandpa Jack, what are the most important things in life? Question 8. What did Timmy learn from Grandpa Jack's stories?